Hello everyone and welcome to Key World Studios. Today I am going to teach you how to play with both hands, okay? It is not as complicated as some may think. You just have to know how both hands work together individually and collectively, okay? So most of the times in your left hand, you're going to be playing bass, like a bass note. You're not really doing a lot of moving in your left hand. So for example, like I can just play a simple note such as C, and I can just hold one note down while creating my own melody in my right hand. Okay, so in my right hand I'm doing more of the movements. I'm playing a melody, okay? So as you can see, in my right hand I have enhanced the song by creating my own rhythm into how I want the song to be played. Sometimes the left hand can produce the rhythm in the song as well. For example, like in my left hand, instead of me just holding down the C, if I'm just holding down the C in my left hand, I have to create something in my right hand to make the C sound more fun to hear. Okay, otherwise it's just gonna sound like a boring song. But if I spice it up, if I spice the C up by adding a unique rhythm to it, by just, you can create your own rhythm in your right hand that will match what you just played in your left hand. So and you can actually play a melody as well with the C. So you can go okay. So it's all about how you want to play the song. So that is what improvisation is all about as well. This is actually improvisation. This is one of the exercises that I teach to my students whenever you are trying to learn to play with both hands. Improvisation is the best way to learn how to play with both hands, and you want to start with one hand at a time. So you can start with your right hand or your left hand, but just make sure that you take your time, start slow, and if you need a metronome or if you have a keyboard with rhythms implemented in your keyboard, have fun with your keyboard, because that is how I started learning to play the piano. I started learning by just creating, by just improvising to the rhythms that I used on my small little keyboard. Okay, so thank you all for watching. I hope this has helped you all. If you have found this video useful, please give it a like and please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Key World Studios. I will be posting more piano tutorials of how you can learn to play with both hands together. Okay, so thank you all for watching, and I will talk to you all again soon. Bye bye.